So Google's, their recent practice of just making a ton of releases both on Gemini AI Advanced as well as in Workspace continues. And today went live in my system with the building blocks. So this is a Workspace update. And if you haven't played around with building blocks, they're amazing. But very quickly, you can go to Insert and then building blocks. So the ones that had already come out that we've been using were the meeting notes, the email draft, code block, and the calendar event draft. Great to be able to share with your team, collaborate on an email before you actually hit send on it. But the three new ones that have been added take the step from collaboration to actually start to do task tracking. And I think this is really exciting and a very cool move more into the program management side and opportunities with smart chips. So here we've got Task Tracker. One, very simple, good starting point, assignee, title, date, status. Cool thing about this one is that if you go ahead and, so let's say you're in a staff meeting and you're actually a test project, and this one's going to be due tomorrow. And the status is in progress. So you're in the meeting, you're writing all of the assignees, what they're doing, when the due dates are. At the very end of it, there's now a button right there that just automatically add all of those tasks to Google Tasks. So assign new tasks from the table. If I click that, yep, there we are, in progress. And now if I open up tasks on the sidebar, test project is now listed there with the actual link to the document. So that would be the same for others that are on your team or on Google. And two, if you close it out here, it actually updates and now says completed. So super cool there. There's also in the drop down, there is one for a simple decision log. Really helpful to track whenever you've actually made decisions and milestones. This is a simple one, just four columns: topic, decision, owner, and status. There's also, if you start typing a detailed decision log, there's one that actually adds a few more fields, like added by person, topic, and let me close that. And you'll actually have the owner and status, but also a place for notes. So if you're adding any files or something like that. There's also one that's not also listed on the insert, and this is contacts. So if I start the @ symbol and start typing contacts, you'll actually see right there contacts, and you've got a very simple list that you can put together. But I think these are actually really neat, and it's starting to deeper integrate some of those project management elements into Docs. And then I really like the integration and the simplicity of the task tracker and kind of the integration with Google Tasks and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope that's helpful, and yeah, have a good one.